guys, I'm gonna show you how I got this look. This is my 5 to 10 minutes makeup tutorial. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm learning how to do my own makeup. Yay, me! Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, check my Instagram, Gigi St. Louis, check my TikTok, Gigi St. Louis. I love you guys. Today is special. I want to talk about my 5 minutes makeup tutorial for beginners like me, because I'm not a pro at this again, but I'm learning to do things for myself. So I'm learning to do things myself. So I'm gonna show you my morning routine and show you what I do every morning, like my quick 5 minutes makeup. Okay? 5 minutes pour me faire maquillage parce que je ne suis pas un professionnel. So, je me dis nous, je vais vous montrer dans 5 minutes comment que moi fais maquillage moi et puis je vais traduire mon travail. Okay? You get that, okay, chérie? Alright. So, make sure you get fondant. Make sure you get eyebrow care powder. I'm going tea powder for my sous fondant. And then my palette. I love them. My palette. You get tout genre de maquillage pour visage là, donc I'll show you a little bit more about my palettes. So, alright. And I have some extras just in case I need to put something together. And I have the veil, you know. I don't think I'm gonna use it today. So I have a couple of things. Alright. So the first thing I do, I apply my foundation. Like I said again, I'm not a pro. I'm pas un professionnel. Mais ma moto j'aime faire maquillage moi le matin. Même qu'on pas un professionnel, on peut toujours faire maquillage tout, okay? So ça pas plus obligé à côté mon chaque temps pour faire. Alright? I'm gonna apply my foundation. I do little dots first to the spot that I want to cover first, okay? And then I brush it off. My mouth. Mix it. On couvre bouche moi pour bouche moi pas prendre la foundation, okay? L'aime satisfait la foundation non? L'aime satisfait avec. On passe. L'aime satisfait avec. On passe un petit couleur en basieux pour les pas trop noir. Ok? On concealer. Ouais. C'est en basieux pour pas trop noir. Je utilise NARS parce que je suis un peu allergique avec eux. So, je vais pour le NARS. Seul dans télé expliquer NARS et puis je check là et puis je vais bon vraiment. Alright? Alright? So, après, les bons petits finish touch en bas du pas noir, ok? Powder. You brush the eyebrow first, alright? Vous brossez eyebrow. Mwen ta dwe koupe, mwen ta dwe bay eyebrow still semen nan beaucoup fè sa. Ok? So fon ti retire la den, but mwen beaucoup fè sa. I like my eyebrow a little darker than usual. So I'm gonna use the big mirror real quick so I can apply that real quick. Okay. Like I say, I'm not a pro at this, but I do what I need to do to get my face ready for work. That one is a light brown. I sometimes use another crayon to make sure I like the finished touch, the finished look of it. Like at the edge, for sure at the edge. I like my edges differently. Okay, Fonty crayon. I like sometimes to use the big brush too. If the small brush didn't do it for me, I use the big brush to mix it up. And then the concealer, I use it to fix the eyebrow. It has the little brush on the top of it already. So, concealer agad gen ti brush sa an tet li, m'utilize li. Li gen le bral fini, m'bral de bral achton lote, but an ale. Alright. I'm gonna use the big mirror again because can't really see through the phone. I want to show it to you guys, but I want to make sure it's good too. Alright. My concealer is running out, so I'm gonna improvise. Foundation will do the same trick. Just make sure you don't put too much. You find the little brush, you know, take a little bit of it. See? Alright. You just have to blend it after. Lo fini ou just fè li foncel. Pou makiyaje pa pare ton bon, et puis fondation yon bon. Fè foncel. Right? Right? Okay. I really have to trim my eyebrow because I can see that it needs to be trimmed now. Alright. I After all that, you make sure you blend it in. Like, blend in where you see that need to be done. Ou blender koto wè. Ki bezon ti kan ankon. Mwen chanje mwen met poudre deja, but sou yon bagay merite fixe ou fixe, ok? So far, so good. My husband hates when I make a mess in the house with this makeup. Alright. I put a little bit of eyelash, I said eyelash mascara because I don't like to put eyelashes all the time. Mascara do just fine for me because I have enough lashes. Ouais. On va mettre faux soucis tout, faux soucis avec, pas soucis, on va dire faux œufs parce que on pas obligé, donc on va obligé mettre faux lashes, so pas obligé, okay? And then this is more like my nude kind of makeup. I'm gonna do a little bit of my face. My eyeshadow. I'm going to work, so it's not gonna be something too complicated. So it's gonna be something very easy going on the eyes. So I'm using this gold with that little slim purple because I like purple. To give it like that little sleek finish, you see it? Il va monter couleur différent que moi mais en pile, so I'm still learning that makeup thing, seriously guys. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but at least I know how to do my own makeup right now. A little bit. Yeah, I try to keep it simple. Okay. Because I'm going to work. And I just use a little lip gloss, you know. Little lip gloss. Easy going. What's funny is that after I do all that, I'm gonna have to put a mask on. I don't get it. I don't get it. Alright. I'm gonna clean around my lip gloss. I like to clean around my lip gloss. And then voila, this is my makeup, my morning routine. Like something simple, depending on where I'm going. It's just simple. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and check my other videos. Support your small YouTubers until I get big, and keep supporting me. You feel me? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I'm gonna get my hair ready, and I just did my makeup, my It's more like a 10 minutes makeup. I don't know why I call it 5 minutes makeup. Actually, let's change that to 10 minutes makeup tutorial for beginners. Alright guys, it was Gigi St. Louis here. I'm checking out. Love you.